Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a product review, and the products I'm going to be reviewing today is the True by Made Beautiful hair products. They had a sale. This is not a sponsored video at all. These are all my personal thoughts and feelings about the product. They had a sale, and so I bought a bunch of different products from them just because I wanted to try something new. I had already been using their co-wash, which I absolutely love. If you want, you can check out my favorite natural hair products video. I'll post it in the description box, and also you can find it in this little eye here at the top of the video. So I've already been using their co-wash, so once they had a sale, I was like, oh, well, let me just kind of just buy a bunch of different products from their line and just try them out. So the ones that I got and that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Intense Treatment Mask that they have. So I'm going to do a deep conditioner. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to style with their Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'm also going to style with their Hydrating Hair Butter. And so if you keep watching this video, you're going to see exactly how these products work on my hair. And then you'll also get to see me do a nice little twist out, okay? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And just keep watching. Alright guys, so let's just get started with the video. So I'm going to start off with the Intense Treatment Mask. So as you can see, it has a really nice little thick consistency. I'm just going to apply that on each section of my hair, just making sure I get it on each and all of my strands. It actually smells really good. It says it has like shea, honey, coconut, and mango, and the products, they just smell really amazing. So now I'm just coating it on my hair. I really like how it feels because it actually kind of feels like a butter that you're putting on top of your hair. Right now I'm actually working with semi-wet hair. It's freshly washed. I use Mono's hair shampoo and conditioner. And then now I'm using the True by Made Beautiful Intense Treatment Mask. And so my hair is freshly washed, but it's not really wet. I probably should have grabbed a water bottle or spray bottle and sprayed my hair a little bit before applying the product, but it all still works just the same. I'm just making sure I get it on each and every strand. Now I'm just going to just put that section away, and then I'm going to do the rest of my hair. So now I applied it on each section of my hair. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take a shower cap and just put it on my hair. And then I'm going to use 2 shower caps just because I just want to make sure I have everything covered. And I'm just going to leave this on my hair overnight. So now it's the next day. It's probably about 10 o'clock the next day. So I've had it on for quite a while. And as you can see, my hair shrunk up really nicely. And as I'm taking my hair down, like you're going to notice, just look how like juicy my curls are looking right now. And I'm getting a lot of bounce. They just look really good. The product worked really well on my strands. So I'm very happy about this hair mask. Just look at all that juiciness. Looks so good. So I just wanted to give you like a little example of what my hair looked like. So now I went ahead and washed the deep condition out. As you can see, it's still nice and shrunken. So when you get that shrinkage, it's actually really a good thing. I had heat damage in the past, and the heat damage just was not, I had no shrinkage. So you could tell my hair was damaged. So now what you're looking at, I'm going to go ahead and apply their leave-in conditioner because now I'm getting ready to do a nice little flat twist for you guys. So I'm applying their leave-in conditioner. And the leave-in conditioner is nice. So it's a water-based leave-in conditioner. So it's not as thick as the hair butter, but it still leaves my hair feeling nice. I don't know. I'm not really big on leave-in conditioners. So I will have to try another leave-in conditioner to kind of compare. So maybe I'll do a video on that because I'm not really sure. It feels good. And I was able to just kind of like comb through my hair really well. So it's a nice leave-in conditioner. Now I'm just getting my hair prepared to flat twist. I'm gonna put it away. So I like to part it because I want to make sure I have some nice clean parts. Okay, so now this is the hair butter, the hydrating hair butter that I'm applying to my hair, and I really love the hair butter. Like it's nice and it's thick. It goes on your hair really well. I really like using the hair butter. As you can see, my hair is really easy to just kind of comb through. Oh, and the brush that I'm using, using is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I actually really like her detangling brush because if you compare it to the Denman brush, it actually can just like comb through your hair so much more. You can really get to the roots. With the Denman brush, in my opinion, trying to comb through your roots is really difficult. But this detangling brush, the Felicia, I'm just going to say Rashad, the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush just really allows you to get to the roots and just kind of comb through and make sure that your hair is completely detangled. So that's why I love using her brush. The only thing that I don't like is when it comes to cleaning the brush, getting the hair out of the brush. That's probably the most difficult part because with the Denman brush, you can kind of just grab the bristles and the hairs come right out. But with this, you kind of have to really go in and just kind of dig the hair out when you want to clean it. So now what you're seeing is just me doing some flat twist. Just going ahead and just flat twisting my hair. Not much to explain here. If you want me to do a really detailed tutorial on how to flat twist, I can definitely do that. But I'm just doing some simple flat twist. I'm going to do 3 rows, one in the back, in the middle, and then the top. And I chose to do flat twist because, in my opinion, it's just easier when it comes to taking your hair down and just having just like natural volume. And without having to separate and pick. You don't have to do all of that when you flat twist. But if you can't flat twist, you can definitely do single twist to get the same style that I'm doing here. But you will definitely have to go ahead and separate the flat twist and then also use a pick to give you that nice volume that you kind of automatically get when you do a flat twist. So if you want lessons on how to do flat twist, just let me know in the comments section and I'll make sure I do that for you. I also like to do flat twist on my hair just because I can wear this hairstyle on the go. Like I can go ahead, flat twist my hair like this, and it's a really cute style that you can still wear outside. You don't have to worry about putting on a like some type of head tie or anything like that. You can just do these flat twists and then you can go on about your business, do what you got to do, and then the next day you take it down. Or even in a couple days you can take it down and your hair will still come out looking really nice. So we are working on the last portion of these here flat twists. Got 2 more sections to go. Let me just show you a little trick at the end here. So as you can see, some of the flat twists are a little chunky. So what I do is I take twist the ends or the roots, and I take bobby pins and I pin them down. So that way my hair is nice and flat for takedown. So now it's the next day and it is time for the takedown. I'm using some K2 shea butter oil on my hair, Cantu, sorry, shea butter on my hair so that I can have a nice little shine to it. And as you can see, like when you take down these twists, your hair is literally already separated. You don't have to worry about going back in and trying to separate your hair more. Once you take down the flat twist, it's already separated. Now the front, I'm a little bit more gentle just because I don't want to have as much frizz in the front. So I kind of take my time with the front, but still, you're starting to see my volume and everything already. No need to separate, no need for a pick. It's gonna come out just looking amazing. All right, last one. Okay, I haven't been talking this whole time because I've planned on doing a voiceover, but once I got done with this and I saw it, I was like, oh, I have to say something while I'm in the moment because this looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Like, come on. Guys, look at these. Oh my gosh. These products are awesome. I actually really love them. This hair. So let me just kind of give you guys a rundown of why I'm doing my hair at this time in this moment. So I'm actually was supposed to do a maternity shoot. My photographer didn't feel comfortable doing the photo shoot during the pandemic. So that got postponed and we weren't sure when we were going to do it, but I am getting closer to my due date, so now I have to do my own maternity shoot. And so that's why I said, well, let me just go in here and just do a tutorial, one, because I haven't seen you guys in a while and I haven't done a hair tutorial in so long. So I said, let me just go ahead and do a hair tutorial for you guys, and then also just kind of give you like a little background of my maternity shoot that I do with my husband Neo. Be on the lookout for that. Definitely going to be coming soon. I hope you guys been following What's Up Martins. That's also a part of my YouTube channel now. So we're just trying to do more content. We're doing our What's Up Martins, any type of traveling, which we haven't done, of course, because of everything going on. Also because of our little bun in the oven. It's coming. But we are definitely kind of turning things around, trying to figure out like, okay, what are we going to do now that we are in this situation? And so I hope you guys come along with us on this journey. We're both first-time parents, super excited about that. But anyways, I'm kind of going off on a like rant, but I just wanted to get on here and just say something because I haven't said anything this entire video other than the voiceover. But my hair just looks so good. I'm so excited. It hasn't looked this good in a little while. So definitely going to keep trying out these products because for a twist out, because this looks so good. Like, it looks really good. I hope you guys try this twist out. It is a flat twist. I know not everyone knows how to do flat twist, and that's totally fine. You can also do single twist, and I think you're going to get the same kind of results. However, you'll have to pick your hair a lot more once you take them down and kind of separate a little bit more. I like to do the flat twist because it allows me to be able to just kind of just take the twist out, and then I don't really have to do much after that. I have the volume, the separation is already there. So that's why I prefer to do flat twist instead of single twist when it comes to doing a twist out.